as today's training is about the video creation star. Now, as a member of the AI Wellness Universe, you have access to a lot of different apps, and it can sure be confusing. I will do training on each app separately. Here today, I'm training you on how to use the video creation star. As the name said, it will create compelling, personalized videos for your business or private life, by the way. And you have several options that I want to show you. You can either input a website, that could be your business website or another website, and all you need to do is copy the URL here with an HTTPS. For example, for my website, it would be drchristine.com. Sorry, it has to be a com. And then you click a theme that you want. If you want to do sales, and this actually gives nice videos, story time, it's nice, announcement is interesting, inspirational. Now for random facts, it does not really go to your website, but it works anyway. Now, that said, you can also input any text. For example, you know a famous quote like cogito ergo sum. I think so I am. You can use that and create the same type of videos, a story around it, announcements, inspirational, and random facts. Now, that said, you can also leave the custom alone. It's more complicated for advanced users. Now, you go to the advanced setting to have even more fun. Now, what you can do is upload your or whatever logo, an image from your hard drive. You can pick a language other than English. Yeah, believe me, I can speak many other languages, but it works pretty good. You can pick if it's photorealism or if you want to create an ad video which has more scroll-stopping, attention-grabbing images. You can pick a voice, a male voice or female voice. There's many female voices.
Welcome to our AI-powered...
Now, depending on what mood you want to create, you pick a different voice.
Welcome to our AI-powered...
Try them out. One of my favorites are Dorothy.
Welcome to our AI-powered platform.
But it is totally up to you.
Welcome to our AI.
Okay, you can do everything with them. Giovanni, Freya.
Welcome to our AI-powered platform.
So try them out, have fun. Now you can also adjust the video, the volume, sorry. And leave it to start with in the middle. Now then you have a choice to add music. If you don't want music, put the volume to 0. If you don't want voice, put the volume to 0. That's the easiest way to get rid of it. You can also just click the button No Music. You can upload your favorite custom music MP3. Yeah, that's what it does. See, it goes to your hard drive and wants an MP3. You can use ambient. This is more classical music. Try it out. Pick something that you like best and that fits the mood of the intended video. What I recommend is if you have a video that has voice and music, put the volume of the music a little down so it doesn't drown out the voice. If you want captions, that means letters going across the video, this is what captions are good for. You can switch them off for no words or on. And if you want them on, you can have a large amount what you want to do the captions to do. Play around with it. Transcript placement, animated, static, the color of the highlights, the font family. There's many fonts that has different impressions and emotional tones. You can really customize it and be immensely creative with your videos. The number of slides does not only determine the number of slides, but also the length of the videos. And currently, I think it can create up to 20 slides for a video duration of about 1.5 minutes, which is plenty. You see what it does, 30 it doesn't. So 15 is often enough. Often 2 is maybe enough if you want a very short one to attention grab. You can choose either portrait, which is phone that you look at upside down, or landscape, which is horizontal phone, when you hold it in front of you, depending on the effect you want to have. You can pick whether your captions are writing on the bottom, in the middle, or on top of the screen, and if they're animated to the center or to the side, the lines bounce, or what you want them to do. And that's it. When you're finished with your adjustments, click Create AI Video and be surprised. Here are examples that I did. Watch this for an inspiration.
And gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, feeling the cool air fill your lungs. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension you hold. Imagine yourself at the start of a beautiful pathway, lined with vibrant flowers. This path is one of clarity and purpose, created especially for you. Take your first step, feeling the soft earth beneath your feet. The fresh, fragrant air invites you forward with confidence. With each step, the path becomes clearer. A calming assurance grows within you. Hear the gentle rustling of leaves and birds singing harmoniously. Repeat to yourself, I am guided by my intuition, and I trust my journey's clarity. Embrace the positivity and empowerment that surrounds each step. Imagine a warm, golden light enveloping you, filling you with inspiration. This light represents your inner wisdom, dissolving any doubts. Feel the freedom and confidence as you walk towards your goals. When ready, take a few deep breaths, awake and inspired. Open your eyes, carrying this newfound assurance with you.
Now, isn't that gorgeous? I really enjoy that kind of a video, and I think it is really amazing how we can use these videos for our enjoyment in the AI wellness universe and for our clients. I give my clients, I empower them to make videos like that, and I use the coaching session more for the coaching part, like asking them questions and guiding them down a path that leads them to the affirmation. I use the affirmation wizard and then input the affirmation in the video creation star. And it gives wonderful videos. Be creative, play with it, and have fun. Thanks.